What exactly is Instagram's new Threads app, and how does it compare to Twitter? Threads leverages Instagram's current 2.35 billion user base rather than starting from scratch, as other Twitter competitors do. Since Elon Musk purchased Twitter last year, the scene has shifted considerably. However, despite the enthusiasm around some of them, such as Blue Sky, none have truly taken off. Instagram Threads is unique. Instagram Threads has not only surpassed 5 million users, but has done it in record time. It outpaced ChatGPT, which achieved 1 million users in just 5 days. So, what is this platform's special sauce? Let's wait and see. What exactly is Instagram Threads? Threads is an Instagram spin-off app that focuses on discussions rather than visual content. Log up with your Instagram account to submit text updates and participate in public discussions. The app's appearance is similar to that of Instagram's comment area, but it includes Twitter capabilities such as replying and resharing articles. Posts can be up to 500 characters long, more than Twitter's 280, include links, up to 10 images, and videos up to 5 minutes long. Threads cannot be edited. Threads, unlike Twitter, does not appear to employ hashtags and does not have a trending area. How do I join Instagram Threads? The most important factor for Instagram Threads' early popularity was the sign-up process. Threads leverages Instagram's current 2.35 billion user base rather than starting from scratch, as other Twitter competitors do. You may quickly join up for an Instagram account without having to fill out any personal information. Even the bio can be transferred automatically. The registration procedure is simple. Threads is now widely available in India on both Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store. To get started, simply download it, activate it, touch on, log in with Instagram, and then select the Import from Instagram button. On your Instagram profile, this ID shows as a badge next to your name or username. It informs your followers that you are using Threads. Many of your favorite Instagram accounts have already made the transition. Threads isn't the first Twitter alternative to emerge in the aftermath of Musk's acquisition of Twitter. There's Blue Sky, the Twitter clone backed by Jack Dorsey, Mastodon, the anti-Twitter, Substack Notes, and many more. Thank you for being here with me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content.